The first video in our Constructing Triangles series is what to do when you're given a triangle with 3 side lengths and you have to make it. So I call that being given side, 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 or SSS. So our job is going to be to construct triangle ABC. So that's how we are shown a triangle. They literally draw a triangle. So we're going to do A, B, C. And it doesn't matter right now how we label this triangle, but the measure of AB, measure of side length, AB, is 2 inches. So I'm going to need to do 2 inches. And the measure of side length, BC, is 2.5 inches. And the measure of side length, CA, is 1 inch. If you remember before, when we were drawing angles, we measure angle. We literally draw an angle and then say which angle. For side lengths, we measure the bar at top is just the side length. So I gave myself a little sketch of the triangle I'm going to draw, but it's not accurate, right? The longest side should be 2.5 inches, CB, and that's not 2.5 inches. And we want to construct this and make this as accurate as we can. So we're going to use our tools. Since I've already oriented my triangle, so AB's on the bottom, I'm just going to do the same thing down here with my actual triangle. So I'm going to set up a side length here on the bottom, kind of in the middle, 2 inches long. We know from using this graph paper the other day that every box is 1/4 inch. So that means 8 boxes will be 2 inches, but we can confirm that. I am working in pen because I don't have any sharp pencils at home, but everyone watching this should be doing their work in pencil in case you make a mistake. I've practiced these, so I hopefully will get it right on the first try. So here on my bottom, I should have segment AB, 2 inches long. I'm just going to write that down. That's my 2-inch side. Now I'm going to try and put point C. And point C needs to be 2.5 inches away from B and 1 inch away from A. Okay, well, it could be 2 inches away from, 2.5 inches away from B. Like I could put it over here. Or I could do 2.5 inches away from B and put it over here. But that wouldn't be 1 inch away from A. So I'm trying to find the exact point for point C. And a ruler itself is not going to cut it. I need my compass. So remember in my last video I said that you could set a length on your compass. So the first length I'm going to set is 2.5 inches. Oh, I'm already set at 2.5 inches. And that's going to allow me to draw a whole bunch of points that are 2.5 inches away from it, point B. So I'll make a big long arc. And all of the points along here should be 2.5 inches away from B. Just about. Now I'm going to do the same thing, except I'm going to try and find 1 inch away from A. So on my compass, I will set it to 1 inch. And I need to put my pencil down a little bit. I'm struggling with these compasses, getting the pencil right, but once you've found the groove, you're good. So I kind of put the weight into the pointy side on A, and then I draw a lot of points that are 1 inch away from A. That little arc. And they intersect. So this point right here should be both 1 inch away from A, because it's on that arc, and 2.5 inches away from B, because it's on that arc. So this point here should be point C. And I can fill it, I can draw in my triangle. So let's check how, oh, it's just about an inch away from A. And from B, it's 2.5 inches away from B, just like it should be. So we've constructed a triangle ABC where AB is 2 inches, BC is 2.5 inches, and CA is 1 inch. And we did it.